What's up, homeowners? Are you tired of your AC door, access door, sagging and hanging down? Stick with your boy Van. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Stay tuned. And also, subscribe so that way you stay up to date and hit the bell for notifications. I prefer galvanized Phillip head screws that are about 1 to 1.5 inches long. That should work. Use a drill of your choice, and we're going to aim for this little corner right here. I'm going to show you a different angle of the corner. You're going to drill a hole, and then you're going to drill into the corner. Then you're going to place your screw inside said hole. Look at there. Hit those areas, and no more sag. Thank you.